Campaigning has been going on in full swing for the 7th and final phase of the Lok Sabha polls slated for the 1st of June. We take a look at the next report about how both the ruling as well as the opposition parties are leaving no stone unturned to traverse the length and breadth of the country to reach out to the voters with their promises and claims and counterclaims, attacks and counterattacks.
Campaigning has intensified for the 7th and final phase of Lok Sabha polls. Senior BJP leader and Prime Minister Narendra Modi was in Nahan and Mandi in Himachal Pradesh. While addressing a poll rally, he said that the country's military has become stronger over the past decade.
कांग्रेस की कमजोर सरकार दुनिया में गुहार लगाती फिरती थी। मोदी ने कहा, भारत अब दुनिया के पास भीख नहीं मांगेगा, भारत अपनी लड़ाई खुद लड़ेगा।
Later, Prime Minister reached the Indian state of Punjab, where he addressed a rally in Gurdaspur, while BJP leader and Home Minister Amit Shah held a public rally at Madhupur in Jharkhand and Ara in Bihar.
मोदी जी ने गरीबों के कल्याण के लिए ढेर सारी योजनाएं बनाई। मोदी जी ने 80 करोड़ गरीबों को प्रति व्यक्ति प्रति माह 5 किलो मुफ्त राशन दिया।
BJP President JP Nadda on the campaign trail in Kushinagar in Uttar Pradesh praised PM Modi for leading the country decisively during the pandemic and saving lives.
कोई देश नहीं तय कर पाया कि कोरोना से लड़ा कैसे जाए, लेकिन प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी ने कड़ा फैसला लिया, कटु फैसला लिया और 12 घंटे के अंदर लॉकडाउन लगाया और मोदी जी ने कहा, जान है तो जहान है।
The opposition is also not taking any chances and is campaigning across the length and breadth of the country. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, while addressing the poll rally in Deoghar, Jharkhand, cornered the ruling Modi government.
मोदी जी हमेशा यही कहते हैं कि कांग्रेस इस 55 साल में क्या की, लेकिन मैं पूछना चाहता हूं मोदी जी को, और 55 साल का हिसाब तो हम देंगे, तुम 10 साल का हिसाब दो, क्या इस देश के लिए तुमने किया?
RJD's Tejasvi Yadav slammed the BJP.
जहर फैलाने का काम कर रहे हैं, ये सब चलने वाला नहीं है। बिहार में जॉब का ट्रेंड चल रहा है और कुछ नहीं चल रहा।
While senior Congress leader and the party's candidate from Thiruvananthapuram, Shashi Tharoor, was hopeful of Congress coming to power,
it's become increasingly clear to us that the trend is heading in a certain direction. And on the 4th of June, there's going to be a change of government in Delhi. The government, at the moment, the BJP has a majority of 303 in the Lok Sabha. It is manifestly clear that they're going to drop a long way below the majority mark.
voting will take place for the 7th and last phase on 1st of June and counting will be held on 4th June. With Bureau Inputs, Shagnik Chakraborty, DD India.
Let's now take you to foreign shores and Georgia's